Once you have your 180s down and you're riding fakie, the final issue here that can present a big problem for a lot of riders is getting out of that. You know, what do I do when I'm riding backwards, and how do I stop? The simple answer to this is that you just turn around. However, it's not nearly as easy as it sounds, and you have two really good options for this. The first is basically just pivoting out on your back wheel, where as you're riding backwards, when your feet level out to your front foot forward that you naturally ride forward with, you want to stop and actually pull your weight back a little bit, usually apply a little bit of pressure on the pedals, and look over your shoulder and turn around, as I'll demonstrate now. You see how my feet come up right so that they're flat, so I have a nice, even platform to spin around on. I slow down my feet, pick up my front wheel just the slightest bit, and turn around and look over my shoulder. So basically, the bike comes around naturally, it follows my body around just fine. Some people have real problems with that, and for a lot of those people, there's another option, which also is a new trick in and of itself and opens up a whole other series of tricks that you can do. That's called a half cab. The name is stolen directly from skateboarding, which basically comes from Steve Caballero doing backwards 360s, and it got applied to bikes. And here it now is a half cab. You see, rather than the first option, you don't spin around, rather you use your foot pressure to get a little bit of hop, like a miniature bunny hop. And it's a similar motion, you look over your shoulders, but it actually happens faster. And once you really get your half cabs wired, you can actually half cab almost as high as you can bunny hop, and that opens up a whole new series of really fun and challenging technical tricks.